Hey YouTube, this is DIY with Donna, and today I'm going to talk about how to fix a dryer. The other day I came in to dry my clothes. I set the timer and then I turned on the dryer and I smelled heat, but the drum inside was not turning. So I immediately turned it off. The diagnosis happened when Will took off the back panel and saw that the fuse was blown. Also, when he took out the heating element, he could see that the coils were broken.
Right here is where the heating element coil is broken. Obviously, it's missing. It should be continuous between here and here. Therefore, it needs to be replaced. As you can see, the new heating element here. It's nice and new, nice and shiny. All the coils are nice and clean and continuous. So I'm ready to replace the new heating element. And the dryer, as you can see, I've already removed the old element. But pretty similar to the way it came off, the way it goes back on. And we put the screws in. There's two screws, one on either side of the heating element. I'm going to put the connectors back on the thermostat, so they just slide, easily slide right back on. We're going to replace the new Thermo Fuze. Basically just slide the connectors back on. Put it back in place. Secure it with the screw. Just plugged it in. We're going to try it out just before I put the backing back on. So it appears to be working. So we can go ahead and put the back of the dryer back in place. And make sure the clamp is nice and tight, and that the hose or vent hose is snug up against the dryer, and I think we're in good shape. I'm going to plug it in, and we're going to test it. The dryer is now working. The drum is tumbling.
Cool.
Let's see if the heater is heating. Yes, there is heat.
The cost of the heating element cost around $60, and the cost of the Thermo Fuze was around $10. All in all, we spent $70 in order to fix the dryer. Hopefully this video was helpful. Please hit the like button and share with friends. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.